Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Twitter Things. So yeah, we have done so many videos so far. So recently we are doing like deployment videos using like GitHub pages or Netlify. So in this video we'll be going to see how a lovable code is deployed into Netlify. So in between we are doing any changes using cursor also will do. So let's create an application and how to make it live by using your Netlify account, and that will be available globally. Like you can share anyone your projects and kind of thing. So for that, what I will be doing is I have generated some like idea from what you called as a prompt. Like I want to make an exact YouTube clone, okay, only front end using React and White. So I have given some requirements to Chat GPT, and it has given me generated is some prompt for me. If you want this prompt, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely give you this prompt. So whatever the prompt I got from Chat GPT, I gave it directly to the Lovable. So they're just asking Lovable to do these things like a complete YouTube clone. Let's wait for it. So a pixel perfect tube. Let's wait for it. It's thinking like I have built you a stunning. It's editing that. Using this publish, you can publish by adding domain kind of thing, but we don't have any domain kind of thing, so we are using public source. So that is Netlify, where you can publish easily. So let's wait for it. It will generate. So as per my requirements, the requirements are use. So I've asked her to use Axios and then context API, material UI icons, lucid icons, and then lazy loading suspense, like all these things like dummy JSON data I'm using here. So left collapsal sidebar and horizontal chips. So everything I have given detail like home page, how it should be, watch page, how it should be, like search results and shorts. So channel videos, how it should be, like everything I have mentioned clearly, and the system layout, like structure, how it will be, and the maximum requirements I have covered here. So what will be in the git ignore and final instructions should be like simple, perfect, like UI UX clone. So it should match exactly. So all these requirements of mine in the prompt I have given. So let's check it's completed or not. So yeah, build a perfect. It's done. So yeah, view latest. If you go to preview, so no preview deploy phone. It is likely it's deploying. So let's wait for it. You can see, wow, exactly like YouTube clone. I have got it here. Everything is perfect, right? With a simple prompt, you can generate an exact YouTube clone. So everything is perfect, like homepage and then trending thing, explore thing, shorts. So coming soon. I think it's not yet created. See these tabs. So everything is looking perfect. Yeah, till here is fine, I guess. You like building. Let's see whether it will. Yeah, fine. Front page is looking exact like YouTube. So the title names and everything, and the filtering and upload thing, notifications and these things. Yeah, we can tweak this and make it work using cursor. So till now this is fine like YouTube clone. So now what we am doing do is here is connect to GitHub. I want to make this live. So if any project you make in Lovable, you can do changes with this chart also. But I have limited credits here in Lovable, so this will cost you if you're going to beyond requirements. So better we can clone this to connect to GitHub, and then clone from there and connect to Cursor. There we can make tweaks to our project. So my already I have like connected my GitHub. So two-way sync is nothing but whenever we do changes here, that will sync up to your GitHub, and then any changes you move to GitHub, that will sync up here, and from then it will make that. So view in GitHub, so it's my it push it to GitHub repository. You can see pixel perfect tube is now pushed. So you can see the main branch is there, it's pushed to main branch. SRC public and everything is similar to an application, right? It's a white app using React. So it's have done 3 commits, you can see here. Initial commit, and then changes, setup, YouTube clone, formation, and all these things. So now what I want to do here is I want to clone this application. Just copy this URL, and then in your application like Git, in your system you can just clone that. Yeah, now I have cloned that application. So you can just go to that, or open like code. You can open code.open, it will open up in Visual Studio. So sorry, Visual Studio Code. You can use Copilot to tweak this, or here is a picture perfect tube is there. If I open reveal in file folder, you will get here. And I want to open this in Cursor actually. Why it's not opening? Yeah, now it's opened with Cursor. So yeah, here is my application. So it's already in main, right? You can directly move this to Netlify so that your application will be live. Or if you want to make any tweaks like make search workable like that, and what are the things we want to change here, we can do that. Here everything is fine, right? So explore page, and then shorts, subscription, so these are coming soon. You can add that. Or if you want to do anything by using Cursor. So I want to make this video simple, so I'm just fixing the search only. So yeah, you can do a lot more changes by using Cursor. And if you can commit this main page, that will reflect in your GitHub repository as well as your Lovable code also. So it will scanning all these things. So it's a huge application, it will take time to check out those things. You can see it is a white application. You can see the folder structure will be like this: apps, pages, and then components. So yeah, if you can see, these are the errors. So first thing what we have to do is we have to do um, open terminal, new terminal. We have to do npm install first of all. So in package.json we have all these things, but we haven't installed, so we have to install. I want to make this runnable in local system first, so that's why I'm installing here. You can see node modules folder has got generated. So now what I have to do is npm run dev. Here you can see dev is the thing, right? So you can see our local host 8080 it's available. Connection is failed. Do we need to install it anymore? Topography react so everything will got installed, right? So let's see now. So now my local host is ready, right? You can just open here. I have browser also, so just open here. So I can see in local I have the git whatever designed by Lovable is now available in my local system in this port. So I want to push this to a remote so that I can share this to other users so that I can uh, show my like show my works to anyone, like I can have it in my resume or like that. So for that we have to go to netlify.com. So this is more to actually if you see here in commits, this is main branch, right? We can use the same to publish to Netlify. No need to do any extra thing. Just log in here, add new project, import from an existing repository, that is GitHub. So you have to authorize your GitHub account here. Now it's authorized. So which one we have to get is like pixel, right? Like pixel tool, you can see it's locked, it's private, and we have to first make it a public. Just go to settings drop, we have like danger zone here, change visibility as public. By default Lovable is cloned, here will be a public repository. So verify your email will be there. We need to verify here. Now it's verified, so now our repository is public. So yeah, now we can move this to Netlify here. Just refresh this, add GitHub, authorized. Next, add like Tube, search with Tube, YouTube. Now it's public, you can see. So yeah, this is a white application, right? So main folder, main branch we are taking. So the name which we have to give here is that will be available in your URL. So I will give like a pixel perfect tube only. That is my YouTube thing name. So yeah, pixel perfect tube.netlify.app will be my URL. That's a main branch deploying we are doing. So no, if you see the repository, there is no like code, there is no subfolder for UI kind of thing. It's a main folder, right? So that's the main folder. So no need to give anything based repository. Here run build as per the thing, it has given me the instead of npm it's using bun, that's fine. So yeah, everything is fine, you can just deploy automatically, it will give you these things, you can use the same. So it's now building. So once the building is completed and it's published, it will be available locally, like sorry, publicly, globally it's available, you can share that link to anyone, you can show your works there. So a basic idea or basic UI you can get from Lovable, and then you clone that application, add that to connect that Lovable to your GitHub, and make a repository there, and then you can clone in your cursor and you can do some tweaks to that. So whatever the tweaks you have done, you have to publish that, like push that to your main repository, so that will got reflected in your production. Now it's published, right? You can just open that. So see how easy it is. Pixel perfect tube.netlify.app. So this is your work. The total everything which is created by you is now available globally. You can share this link to anyone. So like this easily you can make your works published for free. So now you can see search is not working here actually. So I have fixed that with cursor. Let me just publish that. I mean push that. I'm seeking changes to my main, from local main to do giving to that main. So now if you see here in GitHub, you can see if you refresh this page. So one more production build is going on. Here you see building. So second one is building here. So now after completion of this, you can see that will gonna work. Here you can see in commits, you can see one more commit which we have done, like fixed search is now committed by from you. So yeah, if you see that will reflect in your Lovable also. Here you can see here two-way combination, right? So here it is also there. So let's see here, if I search with this, like, let's see that's working in here. It's finished, right? So let me refresh here once. Now basically it is in Lovable. From then it we have came into a local host, and now it's have came into live here. So let me search with React. You see, search is now working. That is what we have fixed by using cursor. So from cursor we can do much more better with a basic UI which you got from Lovable. We can also do tweaks to this application in Lovable itself, but credits are limited. We can use with cursor. Yeah, that's all for this video. I hope my video is very clear to you. So very simple things we can do. So similar kind of videos, if you want, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you'll never gonna miss any video from us. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. If you have any doubts regarding this, let me know in the comment section, and how you enjoyed watching this video, let me know in the comment section. That will definitely help us to get things better and support us in many ways. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.